The Tesla Model S, produced from 2012 to 2020, includes a built-in HomeLink system designed for operating garage doors and other compatible devices. HomeLink is a universal transceiver that learns and replicates radio frequencies from your existing garage door remote, eliminating the need for separate remotes. While newer Tesla models have shifted to smartphone app-based controls, the Model S retains the traditional HomeLink buttons located near the rearview mirror. This video will guide you through programming HomeLink using the Learn and Save settings process. HomeLink features 3 programmable buttons located on the rearview mirror of your Tesla Model S. Each button can store up to 3 separate channels, allowing you to control multiple functions like opening, closing, and lighting for your garage door or gate. HomeLink supports multiple code formats for compatibility with various garage door openers. Fixed code uses static signals, while rolling code employs changing codes to enhance security. Billion code provides advanced encryption. The system operates in the 300 to 400 MHz frequency range for reliable transmission. The Learn and Save settings process involves proximity-based learning, where your Tesla's transceiver synchronizes with the garage door opener's remote. This is a one-way sync. The vehicle learns the opener's signal for secure, reliable operation. First, park your Model S within 5 to 10 feet of the garage door. On the touchscreen, go to Controls, Garage Door Opener. Press and hold the desired HomeLink button until the indicator light flashes, about 20 seconds, indicating Learn mode. Next, on your garage door opener unit, locate and press the Learn or Program button. This button is usually found on the opener motor itself and may be labeled as Learn or have a small LED indicator nearby. Within 30 seconds of pressing the Learn button, quickly press and hold the button on your garage door remote that you want to program. This completes the signal transfer from the remote to the HomeLink system. Now test the HomeLink button in your vehicle. Press the programmed button on the rearview mirror. If successful, you should see and hear the garage door begin to operate, either opening or closing depending on its current state. A helpful tip: this programming process works best with another person assisting you. One person can handle the garage door opener and remote, while the other tests the HomeLink button in the vehicle, making the 30-second timing much smoother. After successfully programming your HomeLink buttons, it's crucial to save these settings. Software updates can sometimes reset HomeLink configurations, so creating a backup protects your work. To save using the Vehicle menu, navigate to the Touchscreen Controls section and select Garage Door Opener. From there, choose the Save Settings option to back up your HomeLink configuration. Alternatively, use the Tesla mobile app. Open the app, select your vehicle, navigate to Settings and Garage Door, then tap Save Configuration to back up your settings. Tesla's cloud backup is the most convenient option, but you can also save to a USB drive for an offline backup solution. When programming doesn't work, start by clearing the HomeLink button. Hold the button for 20 seconds until the indicator light turns off, then try programming again. Common issues include outdated opener firmware or interference from Wi-Fi routers. Make sure your opener is compatible with HomeLink and update its firmware if needed. Tesla is increasingly favoring app-centric controls for garage doors, moving away from traditional HomeLink systems. The Tesla mobile app now supports direct garage door integration through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi gateways, such as MyQ-enabled devices. This allows for more flexible and secure control. Setting up app-based controls involves installing a Wi-Fi hub and door sensor. This creates a reliable connection between your Tesla and garage door system. Although HomeLink is still functional in the Model S, the future points to complete integration with smart home protocols. This will enable more seamless and automated garage door control, potentially even with AI assistance from Tesla's full self-driving system. Security experts have identified potential risks with HomeLink's unencrypted radio signals. These signals can be intercepted by unauthorized devices, posing a security threat to your home and vehicle. Due to these security concerns, experts strongly recommend switching to app-based alternatives for garage door control. These encrypted systems provide better protection against interception. Looking ahead, future Tesla vehicles will likely use app-only systems and vehicle-to-device APIs. This provides seamless integration with smart home ecosystems for enhanced security and convenience. HomeLink may be phased out entirely in favor of these more secure app-based systems, providing a safer and more integrated smart home experience.